Meaning of inhumane.
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 Inhumane. The word inhumane refers to actions that are cruel, brutal, or lacking empathy towards living beings. Such actions can range from neglecting basic needs and denying human rights to inflicting physical and mental harm, especially towards vulnerable populations such as animals, children, or prisoners. Inhumane practices violate ethical principles of compassion, fairness, and social justice, and can have severe consequences for both individuals and society. These consequences may include psychological trauma, physical injuries, increased aggression, and a breakdown of trust in social institutions.